Hi there, my name's Cindy Davis. I am a contributing editor for Residential Systems, and here with me today is Jeff Goldstein. I have a feeling a lot of you already know Jeff from his 24 years at Sony, where he was instrumental in helping to develop Sony's home theater projector line. After a 7-year hiatus, in February, Jeff rejoined the Sony team as the head of sales for the Sony Consumer Integrated Systems channel. Welcome, Jeff.
Hi, Cindy. Good to see you again.
You too. What's your main goal for coming back to Sony?
I think for me, this is an area of the business that I'm very passionate about. And over my tenure at Sony, I've had many different positions and managed several different business units. I left Sony and went to a couple of different companies and spent some time outside of the electronic space. And I realized that this is an area that I really enjoy and I'm passionate about. And I felt when Sony approached me to come back, I felt now was a good time to come back, re-engage with this channel that I had spent so many years helping to develop, hopefully bring some new perspective on it, and to really focus on strengthening the relationships between Sony and our partners.
So Sony's always had a really good dealer relationship partnership. I mean, that's been one of the hallmarks of Sony. Sony built a full-scale trade show booth for CEDIA. That's going pretty far and above for the virtual world, because we're used to seeing something more like this. So tell me a little bit about that. I mean, why did you go to such great lengths to build a full-scale booth for CEDIA Virtual Expo?
Well, it was really sort of a culmination of a lot of changes in direction. And, this is the year of having to kind of rethink the way you approach many things. Your point about not being able to get out and travel. I mean, my plan for the first 6 months was to basically be on the road and reconnect with the dealers around the country face to face. And that obviously couldn't happen. And so we have spent, all of us, tremendous amounts of time on Zoom calls and web meetings and voice over PowerPoint meetings, and as an industry, we've exhausted the dealer base on utilizing these technologies. As we looked across the CEDIA virtual platform and we considered how we could refresh everybody on Sony's full line of products, I felt the best way to do that was to just literally take everybody on a booth tour, just the way we would have done on the show floor. And so with the backing of Sony senior management, who's extremely supportive of this channel, we erected a booth in our offices in San Diego. We had basically a television crew. Our training team were the hosts of the event, taking everybody through the booth tour. And we were able to have, I think, a very elevated experience, for a virtual platform that gave everybody the feeling of actually being there. All the dealers right now are so busy. It was critical, I think, to give them this really, differentiated experience. And I think it was really successful.
Great. Want to talk about some of the new products that you recently released?
We released that during the CEDIA timeframe, 3 new projectors. We have a VPL-VW 715 ES, which is a successor model to our 695. Our VW 915, which is the successor model to our 885. And that is a laser light powered, also SXRD panel projector. The upgrade in image quality and processing is going to really be seen once dealers start to implement it. Those 2 projectors kind of key price points in the line. And then we also introduced our new flagship product, which will actually come out in January. Additionally, we introduced a new OLED product at a smaller screen size. So the 48A9S is a new small size OLED product that is really going to be great where smaller screen sizes are used in secondary, tertiary room applications. You know, we've already started shipping that product, and the take rate on that has been really, really good. Those are kind of 4 key products that we introduced at the CEDIA show, and we're looking for really great results from all of them.
So great talking with you, Jeff. Thrilled to have you back at Sony and discussing Sony products, and I hope to talk to you again soon.
Sounds great. Thanks, Cindy.
Alrighty. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.